My dear students and participants, how are you? I am fine. I hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. You know, COVID-19 is very serious virus. It is running over of the world, and it may take your life anytime. So take yourself, and when you go out of the home, you must a mask with your face, and you are far away from the other person only minimum 3 feet. My dear students, I contact with you another class. It is very important, so you notice it carefully. Assalamu alaikum. Introduction. It is a very beautiful sight. Isn't it very beautiful sight? The sight looks so nice. Doesn't the sight look so nice? So our today's lesson is transformation of sentence, part 2, assertive to interrogative. My dear participant, learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, we will be able to apply the use of be verb with negative, apply the use of auxiliary verb with negative, apply question word, W is question word in interrogative, since from assertive to interrogative. Notice carefully. Computer is most essential for us. It plays a very important role in our life. Interrogative. Everybody needs it, my dear students. Isn't computer most essential for us? Now, is sense to isn't. Participant, you notice it carefully, is sense to isn't. Place is sense to doesn't. Doesn't it play a very important role in our life? Everybody sends into who doesn't or who does not. Who does not need it? Next slide. How to sense assertive to interrogative with be verb. Human mind is very short. I am the best gift of Allah to my mother. Akbar was the greatest king of India. If the assertive sentence is subject plus be verb, like am, is, are, was, were, an extension, it will be amn't or isn't or aren't or wasn't or weren't plus subject plus extension interrogation plus no markup interrogation. Have you understood? Isn't human mind is very short? Amn't I the best gift of Allah to my mother? Wasn't Akbar the greatest king of India? Activities. Since the sentences into interrogative, I am an ardent follower of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is the guide of the human being. We are obedient to him. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu was the first man to receive his invitation. Hazrat Umar and Ali radiallahu anhu were the next Khalifa of Hazrat Abu Bakr. My dear students and participants, you tried to sense the sentence into interrogative. Have you understood how to sense assertive to interrogative with action verb? I say prayer 5 times regularly. My mother wants me to be a model of truth. Our prophet ordered us to follow him. If there is action verb in the sentence, interrogative will be started with don't, doesn't, didn't, according to tense, subject, and number. Have you understood? I hope that you are all realize this. Like, for example, don't I say my prayer 5 times regularly? Doesn't my mother want me to be a model of truth? Didn't our prophet order us to follow him? According to rules, this sentence will be altered into interrogative. Okay. Activities. Since the sentence into interrogative, a religion plays an important role in human life. Number 2, noble people follow their religions properly. Number 3, all the prophets sacrificed their lives for the sake of religion. Number 4, religions teach us morality. Number 5, it shows the way of truth. My dear participants and viewers, you sense this sentence into interrogative. Assertive sentence to interrogative with every. Everybody wishes to be happy. Who doesn't wishes to be happy? My dear viewers, everybody sends into who doesn't. Everybody sends into who doesn't. Okay? Sends the sentence into negative. Everybody loves flowers. Number 2. Nobody hates it. Number 3. Everyone smells flowers. Number 4. Everybody enjoys it. Number 5. All desire its beauty. Okay. Assertive sentence into interrogative with every plus noun. Every mother loves her child. Is there any mother who does not love her child? My dear viewers, you notice every sense into is there any and who does not. Every plus noun in this sentence is sense into is there any and who does not or who doesn't. Okay. Since the sentence into negative. Every man loves flowers. Every person hates a liar. Every woman likes ornaments. Every baby wants toys. Every man desires more and more. Okay, my dear students. Assertive into interrogative with never or nothing. I never drink. Do I ever drink tea? My dear students, you notice there's a never sense into ever. And end of the sentence, note of interrogation will be used. You remind it. I had nothing to say. Had anything to say? Anything sense into anything. Nothing sense, sorry. Nothing sense into anything. Assertive to interrogative with doesn't, does not, didn't. Does you work hard? My dear viewers, you notice that or look at a note is omitted when you negative sentence into interrogative. Okay. If the assertive sentence begins with a do not, does not, and did not, or not, will be omitted at the time of changing into interrogative. Rules. Activities at home. Change the sentence into interrogative. My dear students, I write down some sentence for your practice. You practice this again and again. Your language skill is developed day by day. Number one, he is noble man. Number two, everybody likes him. Number three, he was a bright student. Number four, he studies regularly in his student's life. Number five, he did not do any work subversive to state and society. He is now a model of the society. We are proud of him. We pray for him to be a famous person. You practice it at your home again and again. Allah Hafiz. I end my lessons here, okay?